tired all day, stressed out, and sleepless nights? Do you often feel, if only I could get rid of all this pressure instantly? What if there was a secret technique that could calm your inner restlessness in just moments? Yes, there truly is such a technique, proven for thousands of years and supported by science. Today, I will share with you a magically simple method, one that can change your life. Before we begin, let me say something important. I am not a professional doctor. This information is shared only as general knowledge and a helpful tool for healthy living. If you have any medical conditions, please consult a doctor first. The secret technique I was talking about is called the 4-7-8 breathing method. It's a technique that helps your body shift from fight or flight mode into rest and digest mode. When we're stressed, our breathing becomes shallow and our heartbeat rises. But with this method, by exhaling for a longer duration, we stimulate the vagus nerve, which sends signals to calm the nervous system. It instantly lowers stress hormones and brings mental peace. Let's practice together. First, sit comfortably. Keep your spine straight and relax your shoulders, face, and stomach. Place the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, just behind your upper front teeth. First, exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound. Now close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a count of 4. Count in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now exhale fully through your mouth with a whoosh sound to a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat this cycle at least 4 times in the beginning. Some quick tips to remember. You can start with 2 to 4 cycles and gradually build up to 8 cycles. For best results, practice at least 2 times a day. Don't worry about perfection. At first, keeping count may feel difficult, and that's okay. The main focus is on the long exhale. This simple technique has many benefits. It reduces stress and anxiety, improves sleep, lowers heart rate and blood pressure, and enhances concentration. So, do you see how simple the solution was? Now you have a magic pea in your pocket that can calm your mind anytime. It's a skill you can master through practice. Regular practice will help you stay calm, happy, and focused. Take care of yourself, and may your journey be peaceful.